The Myers cocktail is a unique blend of vitamins and minerals and other essential nutrients. These at home weekly injections were developed by Dr. John Myers and have been used for decades to treat a wide range of conditions, including fatigue, migraines, asthma, and even fibromyalgia. By delivering high doses of these essential nutrients directly into the bloodstream, the Myers cocktail can help improve cellular function, enhance immune function, and promote overall health and wellness. It can help reduce inflammation, support detoxification, and improve energy levels and mental clarity. Click Add to Cart now to get started. Our expert providers will review your medical records and process your request. Medication typically arrives at your door within 72 hours of processing. If you're not yet a patient, just click on Book Appointment now to get started. At Elite Health Online, our prices include medication, supplies, and shipping. Patients never pay for labs or telehealth visits.